are pleased to show you the 2019 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, heated seats, power liftgate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, 4-wheel disc brakes, security system, fog lights, heated steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, heated front seats, rear window defroster. Come see the car for yourself.